The Baryon Asymmetry problem is the observed imbalance of baryonic matter and anti-baryonic matter in the observable universe. The Big Bang took equal parts of matter and antimatter, but today, everything we see from the smallest atoms on Earth to the largest stellar objects made up entirely of matter. Wow, there isn't that much antimatter to be found. Something must happen to tip this balance. This phenomenon has been described as one of the greatest mysteries in physics. Antimatter particles share the same mass as their matter counterparts, but qualities such as electric charge are opposite. The positively charged positron, for example, is the antiparticle to the negatively charged electron. It is assumed that the universe, when born, treats matter and antimatter symmetrically. Thus, the Big Bang should produce equal parts of matter and antimatter. This should have then resulted in total annihilation of the two. Protons with antiprotons, electrons with anti-electrons, neutrons with anti-neutrons, and so on, which should have left behind a structureless sea of photons in a matterless void, in which case it wouldn't exist. Nevertheless, a tiny portion of matter, about 1 particle per billion, managed to survive. This is what we see today. The theory is that some unknown entity spreading this process in the early universe could have caused matter particles to decay more often as matter than they decayed as antimatter. Another guess is that the Big Bang somehow produced a tiny bit more matter than antimatter. For every 10 billion antimatter particles, there are 10 billion and 1 matter particles. The 10 billion matter and antimatter particles are aligned to one another, leaving behind the 1 matter particle. Isolated to God is the mass that makes us up. Unfortunately, there is still no valid reason for this difference.